Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. The way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Arabella Hair. Shout out to you, Arabella, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking is their 13x4 lace front Skunk Stripe Wave Bob wig. I have it in 16 inches, and it is 210% density, and they are not lying. I can go ahead and throw that out there. This hair is very, very full. It's very, very thick. It's actually given more than 210 in my opinion, but child, okay. Anyways, so on their site it says blonde skunk stripe new highlight blonde color, 15A double drawn hair, 13x4 transparent lace frontal wig, ponytail short style wave bob. So I don't know why they got the ponytail in there. I don't know, child. But anyways, it says you can get this unit in 14 to 28 inches. It does say 16 is what's like popular. 16 inches is what's popular. The only density that they have this unit available in is 210% density. And as far as the description goes, it says the texture is wave. They don't say what wave. They don't say body wave. They don't say loose wave. It just says wave. It's human hair. You can get it in Brazilian, Peruvian, Indian, or Malaysian. The density is 210. It's an average cap size, and the lace is a 13x4. And then it says blonde highlight in natural black, and then it has the shipping, processing times, and all of that stuff. So those are all the details and specs. Now I want to go ahead and say, y'all, I did not have to do anything to this unit. I did not bleach the knots. I did not tweeze this wig. I didn't even really curl it except for the front. When I say this unit woke up like this, I really mean, oh girl woke up like this.
I woke up like this, we flawless.
Okay, okay, I didn't touch her. And I didn't even feel the need to do baby hairs. I didn't feel like it was needed. Sometimes when I have like skunk stripes, it kind of make you feel like you need baby hairs. But with this particular unit, I didn't personally feel like I needed them. But honey, do what you want to do. Now, if you see like right there, it looks a little orangey. That is my makeup child, okay? It's hard not to get makeup on this color hair, like, because this front is like bleach, so it's hard to not get my makeup on it, girl. Now, as far as shedding and tangling goes, honestly, I have not noticed any of the things with this wig, but I didn't do a whole lot. All I did was kind of like run my fingers through it, and that's it. So I didn't expect to notice any shedding or tangling, and especially with the length and stuff. If I was gonna get any shedding, I would kind of have expected it right here where that bleach is. But I didn't experience any. That's not to say it won't at some point. That's just to say that straight out of the packaging it did not. Now with this unit, as far as it being big head friendly, I feel like this wig is extremely big head friendly. So like I had to cut on the sides. Usually with ARABELLAHAIR, their units fit me perfectly. But to me, this one is more so is more on the larger cap size than not. But it still was an easy fix and an easy fit. It does come with one of those glueless bands. I obviously am wearing it glueless, but I did use adhesive. So yeah, that is pretty much it though, as far as that goes. Now you can do with that what you want to do with that. I am an average cap size, so honey, as I always say, do with that what you want to do with that. But it definitely, in my opinion, does lean more towards the larger cap size than not. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you are interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Okay, so my only con with this wig is the fact that it's a 13x4, and it's not even a real big con because I feel like I had a good amount of parting space, but that is always a con for me, so I wanted to throw that out there. That is the con. That's the only con I can think of. Okay, girl, that's the only one I can think of. As far as the pros go, I love the style. I love the color. I know skunk stripe is not for everybody, but this is a frontal, so if you like scared to wear it kind of like how I'm wearing it, where it's just parted on the side and it's showing both, you can do a peekaboo style by having all of it over here. You get what I'm saying? It's different ways you can do skunk stripe. You know what I mean? So it just depends on you, or you can just have it on one side. You can part it wherever because it's literally a 13x4. So if you want to kind of just hide the skunk stripe and just do a peekaboo, you can do that as well, which is also an added plus to me. So I love that. I love that it came curled. I know once I wash it, it's going to go to its natural state, but I like that it came curled. I also like that it wasn't necessarily necessary for me to bleach the knots because of the lace and how it wasn't bleached and the knots are there, but in the front, I knew it wasn't going to be as noticeable because of the skunk stripe. So yeah, I love all of that for me. Okay, girl? I love all of that for me. So yeah, those are my pros with this unit. Yes, I personally would recommend this unit. I think it is definitely worth it. It is definitely easy to style and put on, especially your first wear. I love all of that about this unit, so I would personally recommend it. I would. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna give you guys a full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, those are my thoughts and opinions on this unit. Let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling it. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. And once again, shout out to you, Arabella, for sending me this unit. I truly appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. Stop touching out one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Looks your love completely. Got every style and weekly. Disastrous beauty.